Once again, my name is Simeon. I'm the rabbit farmer in Sierra Leone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today, I'm going to give you updates about chicken farming. As you can see, these are layers. As you can see, they are laying. As we can also harvest, but if you want to differentiate between a good laying bird, this your two finger supposed to pass through these two bones like this. This your two fingers supposed to fit. If they are not fit, it means the bird is not laying. So I'm going to harvest egg, guys. So see four egg, all of them are laying every day. But also tomorrow we are going to upload another video to show you how to formulate your own feed without spending not a lot of money by using just billets, banga cake, rice, and other stuff. Thank you for watching. My name is Simeon. Once again, my name is Simeon Abubakar. Please like and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell for more videos. Thank you. God bless you.